Hi, second grade Panthers. Today I want to show you quick tips on how to access resources in Think Central. So what I want you to do is once you log into ClassLink, we're going to click on the Think Central icon over here. And once we go in, there are three options that we can access. You may be familiar with the other two, but today we're going to enter into the library. Once we go into the library, we will click on the ebook here because that'll help me get to the stories. Once we're in the stories, we're going to click Book 2. Book 2 will launch, and in here you can see that you can look at all of the stories for the second textbook that you guys have at home. This week's story is going to be on Unit 6. So I'm going to click on that, and we're on Lesson 28 for this week. So I'm going to click 28, and I'm just going to double check to make sure it's the right story here. And indeed, right here on the bottom of Lesson 28, it says Yes Shen, which tells me I'm in the correct section. Now that I know that I'm in the right story, I want to take a look at the resources button here. Right here, as it's loading, it'll give you some options. There are three options here that we can take a look at, and I want to click on lesson level resources. There's four options here, and this third option, which is a Grammar Snap video, will give me access to a video that you can look at. Sometimes there are videos and sometimes there aren't. It just depends on the story. We're going to click on this today, and here it's telling me to download my Flash. If you run into trouble here, please ask for an adult to get some help. I'm going to say allow because I want to watch the video here. And then there are red curtains. When I click on it, it's going to start the video. I'm not going to play the whole video. You can press play, watch it on your own, and then you can answer the questions in your Reader's Notebook pages. Have a great time doing your work, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, Panthers.